There's Lila, my doggy namesake. Look at her. It's very active. Yeah. I met her 5 years ago. Yeah.
How is your friend?
Who?
Your friend in the Philippines?
Ah, yeah. We had a vacation. It's so hot, the Philippines, no? You know, 110 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. But I enjoyed it.
How long did you go for?
We installed an aircon in our house.
Oh.
It's too hot to handle.
You still have your house out in the Philippines?
Yeah.
Yeah? Good.
Look at her. Yeah.